So this video is a follow-up from my previous one where we were talking about all the bad things that are going on for you mobile guys right now with the lack of work, everything drying up, and it is becoming a serious issue. However, in today's video, we're going to be covering some of the best side hustles you can currently do right now to try and bring back that cash. So the first side hustle any car cleaner can currently do is patio cleaning. Yes, you can make some good money from doing this. You don't have to be the best in the world. You're not going to be able to clean all the patios 100% perfectly without all that knowledge, but you can go and earn yourself a little bit of cool hard-earned cash just from doing patio cleaning. So you've got a few options here. You can either charge hourly or you can charge per square meter or square foot, however you want to do it. But you don't have to take it as serious. Like if someone says to you, right, you've cleaned my car, if they're happy enough to pay for you to clean their car, they're going to probably have a little bit of money for other stuff because car cleaning is a luxury essentially. So we're coming into spring now. Summer is on its way pretty soon. So everybody's going to want to get their patios cleaned as soon as possible. So you've got a massive opportunity here to grab the client and say, look, I'm going to come and clean your patio as well. I'm going to charge you a fair hourly rate. It doesn't matter even if it isn't 30 quid an hour. I think even £20 an hour is a good rate for anybody at the minute in today's climate. I think you've got a great opportunity here. Anyone who really pays to get their car cleaned will probably have a large area as well. So you could get yourself a nice full day's work out of it. And you have to open your eyes that it can't all be just car cleaning, especially during these tough times. So I want you to bear that in mind. Patio cleaning is good because you've got your jet wash, you got your hose, you got your extension lead, you're pretty much all set to go. Not everybody's going to be able to afford the patio cleaning heads, but that doesn't matter. You can still make do with the tools you've got. You've got all the stuff there, use them to your advantage. Another good side hustle any car cleaner can do is office cleaning. If you want to make yourself a little bit of regular income, like a bit like your maintenance valets in reality, where you do them every week or every 2 weeks, you can do the same with office cleaning because office cleaning is something that's always going to require regular maintenance. It's not as if someone's going to go, right, we've got a team of 50 people in this office block, you're going to clean it once and you're never going to come back again. It doesn't work like that. These things have got to be maintained. You're more likely going to get weekly cleans out of it. And I used to do it. When I first started this business, that was the first avenue that I went down as a side hustle. I didn't enjoy it. I will admit that. It was horrible, but I still made some pretty good money out of the offset. And let's not forget, if you can knock out an office in 1 hour and you can get yourself 30 to 50 quid, go for it. I think you should do it because that soon adds up over the weeks and over the years as well. So please do not ignore office cleaning. I think it's a brilliant side hustle that anybody can do. And you've got all the equipment. You've got the cloths, you've got the hoover, you just might need a mop and bucket. And that's pretty much it. You're just going to be all good to go. The next one on the list is a pretty obvious one as well, and it is carpet cleaning. Yep, if you've got a carpet extractor, then you can do house cleaning. You can do all the carpet cleaning as well. Unfortunately, you're not going to be able to do it in a quick time, say, compared to a proper carpet cleaner who has all the real equipment. But you can make use of good chemicals. And if someone says, look, I've got a spillage in my lounge, go do it. Seriously, go get yourself 50 quid for doing a lounge. I don't really know how much everybody charges, but I know that's what I would want to charge if I was doing it, if I wanted to do a good job, because it will take you a little bit longer than the pros doing it. And I'm not saying that so you can muscle in on their business, but if you've got a client who has got money, like I said, if they're prepared to get the patio done, the cars done, they might even want you to clean the carpet. So drop it in there and just see what happens. And while we're on the subject of carpet cleaning, why don't we jump on upholstery cleaning? Yes, you can charge up to £50 per sofa, depending on where you live in the world. Obviously, it is going to vary, but you've got the hand tool, you've got the chemicals, and you've got a massive opportunity to go and make yourself a little bit of extra money. Now, even if you print little flyers that you can leave in the client's cars, I would sooner do that than not tell anybody about it anyway. And look, I know many of you watching this are probably going to be thinking, oh, Dave, I don't want to do a side hustle. I just want to be a car cleaner. So look, I will be 1,000,000% honest with you guys. Every single one of these side hustles is something that I personally did myself when I got going. And I know I keep saying it, but I did it 15 years ago. I did that. I've been there. I've done that. And I've got the bad memories from it. So look, you're not alone. Keep working hard. Honestly, your time will come. I think we just got to get out of this sticky patch at the minute. But as soon as the summer's here, I'm sure things are going to be better. And please, if you're watching this in the summer, please don't give me any grief if they're worse. Seriously. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.